Mud terrain tires used to be a pretty niche product. If someone walked into your shop asking for an MT, chances were they were serious about getting dirty in deep mud, crawling over rocks and trails, the whole deal. But recently, that customer profile has changed. MT tires are no longer just for hardcore off-roaders. They found their way to outdoor hobbyists, folks who want an aggressive look, and even drivers who won't ever leave the pavement. So, the big question for shops like yours is, are you recommending MT tires to the right customers? Let's talk about that next. Mud terrain tires are built with one goal in mind: maximum off-road traction. They use aggressive tread designs with large blocks, deep voids, and reinforced sidewalls to claw through mud, loose soil, sand, and rocky terrain. That design prioritizes durability and grip off-road, but it comes with trade-offs on the street. Noise, ride comfort, wet road performance, and highway performance all take a back seat when compared to all-terrain or hybrid options. The core MT customer is still out there. There are still drivers who actively off-road or who rely on that level of traction for work or recreation. Think farming, hunting, fishing, overlanding, or jobs that regularly put trucks in tough environments. For those drivers, an MT tire still makes perfect sense. But over the past decade, there's been a noticeable increase in customers choosing MT tires for one main reason: looks. The aggressive appearance has become a style statement, even for trucks that spend most of their time on asphalt. That's why a proper recommendation matters. When you zoom out and look at the off-road light truck market as a whole, all-terrain tires still dominate. They're by far the most popular choice because they balance capability and comfort. Rugged terrain or hybrid RT tires have also grown quickly in recent years. They pull buyers from both AT and MT segments by offering versatility, aggressive styling, with more livable on-road behavior. Regardless of the options, MT tires still have a loyal following. The key is matching the tire to the driver. MT tires generally aren't ideal for customers who commute long highway distances, deal with frequent wet pavement, or drive in winter conditions. That's where the expertise of your counter staff comes in. It's up to them to help customers understand not just what looks good, but what actually fits how they drive. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcock's Media.